Hello, have you been wondering how to start an essential oil business in India? If you have, stick around for this entire video. I'm so excited to announce that the largest essential oil company on the planet, doTERRA International, has actually opened their doors to India, and we are now in the process of starting to build brand new businesses in India using the power of essential oils. In this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to make an amazing residual income when you partner with doTERRA and when you partner with me and my business partners who are opening up our doors in India. I'm Mandy Sommers, an essential oil educator and enthusiast. You can go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you can be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now, like I said, today I want to go over all of the compensation plan, and so that you can really understand exactly how you can make an amazing residual income and an income that you can live on. I've been teaching about the power of essential oils for 11 years. I started my business 11 years ago and have been able to grow and expand and help hundreds of people grow essential oil businesses as well. And I want to help you grow an essential oil business in India as well. So let me jump right in and talk about our compensation plan. Our compensation plan is very unique. It is different than any other network marketing compensation plan, and I'm going to show you how that's unique as we go through this presentation. So the first thing to know is that with doTERRA, you can actually earn profits selling retail. Now, I've been doing this business for 11 years, and I'll tell you, I've maybe sold less than 40 retail products in my 11 years, because that's not really the smartest way to grow a lasting residual income. And that's my passion. I want to help you grow residual income that you and your family can rely on for the rest of your life. And actually in doTERRA, we can hand down our businesses to future generations, which is amazing. So the second way I like to make money in doTERRA is actually with our sharing bonus. Now, this bonus is actually paid out every single week. I like to call this bonus, this is the way that we fund our business at the beginning, is by using this sharing bonus. And so basically, what happens is anytime you share the product with people and they enroll and get a starter kit, you actually get 25% of the product volume of that starter kit. Now, in order to qualify for this, you need to have an order yourself each month that's going in to give you product for your business. But this is paid out for the first 60 days of the individual's account. And so every time you enroll somebody new, it starts at, that's day one for them, and you've got 60 days of earning 25%. And so if you sell them our Healthy Start Kit, that kit will give you a $22 bonus. Actually, in the US, it's 20%. So it's going to be even more. I believe it's going to be around $25 to $28 bonus in USD that you'll get paid out the next week. So we pay on Wednesdays. And so from Monday to Sunday, and when you share and they get a starter kit, the next week you'll get your paycheck for that. Now, the cool thing about this sharing bonus, I highly suggest if you're going to start an essential oil business, that you start asking people to do a business with you. Okay, it will bless so many lives, and your business will grow really quick this way. And so if you have a business partner that is sharing as well, you actually get 10% of every brand new person that they enroll as well. So you get 10%, and so you'll get your 25 and 10% of that. I love this bonus. I get it every single week for all of our business partners that are bringing people in, sharing the power of essential oils, and it's totally awesome. Okay, so the third way to make money in doTERRA is actually with our Power of 3 bonus. And this bonus is so amazing, because if you really focus on growing your Power of 3 within 3 to 6 months, you could be making 85,000 rubles, I think is how you guys say them there. And that is every month that you achieve this. Okay. And so the way that this works is, in order to build a business, you have to be placing an order of 100 PV every single month. And then we have a team volume of 600 with this top line. This can be a little complicated. And so I don't want you to feel like you have to know everything at the beginning. I just want to explain this to you. And once you have 3 people on your top line that are also building that business and placing that order, you're actually going to get 3,000. Your bonus is 3,000. And then once we teach that each one of those 3, so these 3 people to do the same exact thing and really get their 3 business partners, they're placing their order too, that's 15,000. And then once we help those 9, because that would be, these 3, then we've got 9 underneath that. And then under those 9, we help those 9 people do the same thing. That's 85,000 every single month on top of all the other bonuses. So that is our power of 3. It's paid monthly on the 15th of the month. The next one I want to talk about is our unilevels. And like I said at the beginning, doTERRA is different than other companies that you can partner with. And this is why. So in doTERRA, instead of doing the traditional network marketing unilevel commissions, which are 7% at the top and 2% at the bottom, they flipped that. So our compensation plan can pay double and even triple of what other compensation plans pay because of this. Now, if you look at this chart and you're thinking, okay, at my top of my organization, I'm going to have 3 people and I'm going to help those people expand so that we've got at least 27 down here. You can see now why, if you've got 3 people at the top making 2%, and then you have hundreds and thousands of people on level 7 making 7%, this model is amazing. And it brings us so much possibility with what we can do. So that's really exciting. This is probably one of the best parts of our business, is being able to have the ability to grow our teams 7 levels deep. On top of that, we actually have dynamic compression, which is a little bit more tricky when it comes to just know that doTERRA will always pay all levels to the closest silver. And so the way to qualify for our unilevels, this basically means where people are in their organization, you're going to get anywhere between 2 to 7%. As you move up in rank, which you check out my next video on the different ranks and how to position yourself there with the ranks, you'll notice that it opens up additional levels for you to receive bonuses on. And so when you hit the rank of elite, which is our foundational rank, you'll get 6% on your 5th level. And this is actually long-term. You know how up here, I said, this is how we get our businesses funded and up and running. This is kind of mid, where it's like 3 to 9 months to really get that powerful 85,000. The unilevel commissions, this is long-term. So if you want to grow a massive residual income, this is what we focus on, is helping as many people as we can build these thriving businesses and helping our customers also with the product. Okay, now, so we've covered, let's just recap. We've done retail, sharing bonus, power of 3. Then we've got our unilevels, which are paid monthly as well. Then we come into our leadership pools. Now, there is an amazing Founders Club opportunity in India right now that I want you to be a part of. I want you to be an Indian founder. And so I will put a video at the end of this that you can actually, up in the cards, that you can click on to find out about the Founders Club. That's an additional bonus to our compensation plan. But I don't want to go into that right now because it's a little bit more in depth, and that one will only be available until it's full, and then that part of the compensation plan is done. So our leadership performance pools are paid out to our leadership ranks. And so Here you'll see the different titles, the different ranks, and you'll notice that when we hit Premier and Silver, Gold, these are considered our leadership ranks, because it's not just about enrolling people, it's about structuring your organization the right way. And so when you hit Premier, it requires that you've actually created 2 separate lines that are executives. When you hit Silver, it requires that you have 3 separate lines of Elite. So they're not all in the same line, they're in 3 separates, and so on. So when you hit those ranks, you actually qualify for additional bonuses because you're considered a leader in the company. And so the very first one is our empowerment pool. This is for our premiers, silvers, and golds. And the empowerment pool, essentially, you can earn this by hitting the rank of premier and enrolling 1 person that month. When you enroll 1 person, you actually get an additional 1.25% split between everybody. So that would be the company's volume in India. They take 1.25% and they split that between all of the premiers, silvers, and golds that actually qualified for this bonus. Now you'll notice at gold, you actually get 2 of those bonuses. Okay, that's the empowerment bonus. And the next leadership performance bonus is actually the leadership performance pool. And once again, they take 2% of the overall volume of everything in India, which is so exciting because this could be one of the biggest areas to share essential oils with in the world, essentially. So they're going to take 2% and you'll get 1 share. If you hit silver, you'll get 5 shares if you hit gold and 10 shares if you hit platinum. And then once you hit the rank of diamond, you actually get put into a different pool because it's a smaller group of people, and you're gonna, they take 1%, they split that between the diamonds, blues, and presidentials, and depending on where you're at, you get 1, 2, or 3 in there as well, along with these additional pools that come with that. Now, because this is a brand new area, we're not sure what these bonuses will be yet. I know in America that the average is right around 150 for this one, and then 150 times 5 is 750. That is with an established market, which eventually I think it will actually get there, and even more in India because it's a bigger country with more people. And so it's super exciting for that. So those are our leadership performance. So those are all the different ways that you can make money in India. Partnering with us, we would love to partner with you. Like I said at the beginning, I have been building essential oil businesses for 11 years, and I have a YouTube channel. I know that many of you who watch my YouTube channel currently actually live in India, so I was so excited when I heard that we were opening it up here so I can invite you to work with us and become one of our business partners. We will help to mentor you, show you the way. I'll tell you that even with all of the amazingness with the compensation plan, when you partner with us, you actually get so much mentoring and training. I have a marketing business on the side where I also have an academy that teaches you how to grow a business online. If you want to add that in there, I also have a YouTube channel and a YouTube course that I give to all of my business partners for free because I want to help you succeed. I want to help you build a massive residual income that you can rely on for the rest of your life. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out the additional videos where I talk all about all the exciting things happening in India. See you soon. Bye.